Hey guys, I want to show you how you can get an extra free beta code, and the way you get these is by pre-ordering Black Ops 4, and then it gives you access to the beta that's going to start on August 3rd for PS4. Now this method is something I figured out by ordering online from Amazon and also Gamestop. I did not try this with Best Buy. Now I'm in the US and it worked for me with these two sites, but I'm not sure about other sites for people that are outside the US. But I'll show you guys how it worked for me. So I pre-ordered the Call of Duty Black Ops 4 Mystery Box Edition from GameStop. I went online, ordered it, checked out, all that good stuff. You don't have to get the Mystery Box bundle. You can get any edition of Black Ops 4 as long as you're ordering it from GameStop and their online store. Once you purchase and pre-order the game from GameStop online, it guarantees you one free beta code. But I'm going to show you guys how to get a second free beta code from them. So after you pre-order on their online store, you're going to get an email confirmation showing that you've ordered, and I ordered on July 19th, and there was no talk about this beta code. So I was a little bit curious, like, when am I going to get it? How am I going to get it? Am I going to get it? So right after I ordered, there was nothing in the checkout page that showed it or in the email. So I called them saying, where is my beta code? I'm guaranteed one because I've pre-ordered. I called them on July 19th, the same day that I actually ordered it online. And when I was on the phone with them, they said, yeah, you're supposed to get it within 48 hours, but we'll go ahead and give it to you over the phone right now if you want it. And I said, yes. So they gave me one beta code then, and then about a week later, I got another beta code in my email. The beta code that I got over the phone with the customer service rep was different from the one that I got in an email a week later. So two things to note here. If you order online from GameStop, it's going to take possibly a week to get that beta code that you're guaranteed, but if you call their customer service number during that time, you can get a free extra one. And this same method works for Amazon orders as well. You can pre-order any version of Black Ops 4, and from Amazon as well, you're guaranteed a beta code. Again, on July 19th, as soon as this mystery box bundle was available, I went and ordered one from Amazon and GameStop. But when I ordered from Amazon, same thing. I check out, I get an email confirmation, but there's no talk about this beta code in the checkout or in the email confirmation. So same thing, I called Amazon and I asked about the pre-order beta code that I was guaranteed, and they said, we'll email you back and let you know what's going on. A few days later, a customer service rep emailed me back and they sent me a beta code, and then the next day I got that guaranteed beta code that I got when I actually purchased it. And if you order from Amazon, it can take up to 6 days to get that guaranteed code. And just like GameStop, if you call their Amazon customer service number and let them know that you're supposed to be getting a pre-order beta code and you show that you've actually purchased the game, they will email you and send you a free additional code. And just to show you, they are different codes. These are the two emails that I got. The top one is from the customer service that I actually called, and then they responded and gave me one, and then the bottom one is the one that was generated because I purchased it online. And again, it could take up to 6 days to get that automated generated code emailed to you, and that's why I was so concerned in calling them and accidentally getting free codes. And I just wanted to show you guys how you can do it if you're interested. One thing I'm not sure of is if you've purchased the game and you've already gotten the automated generated code emailed to you, I don't know if this trick would work. You can definitely try calling them and seeing if it does. These codes on the screen here, I've already given away on Twitter, so they're probably not gonna work. If they do, then, go for it. But I thought this method could help out some people that maybe want to get their friends into the beta that haven't actually purchased it. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.